Need to go down and check out our trail cam. See if we caught anything last night. I hope it's still there. Come. It looks like it's still there. See where I put it? I couldn't see last night where I put it, but that's where I put it. First, so it doesn't record everything. We'll take it up and have a look at the card on the computer, yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Did Winona kill the laptop with her rain last night? Ooh. It powers. We did capture something.
It wasn't much though.
No. We caught some whiskers. We believe they are. Some animal gave the trail cam a sniff, but didn't go in front of the camera lens. Sniffed it from behind. So it must have ran up that log that I attached it to. And then that's it. That's all we got. We packed up and I went and took Winona just to check out those machinery tracks. So on my motorbike ride yesterday, I noticed on the way out some leftover parts here from the logging. This looks like some caterpillar tracks, some machinery tracks left here. So was it 83 that they did the logging, I believe?
Yes.
Just gives you an idea how big the machines were that they brought down here. That would have towed all the logs out. Very cool. Alright, continue on. We'll find somewhere nice for lunch. We have found a spot for tonight. It's alongside Dee's Lagoon or Dee's Dam. I think you might, whatever you prefer to call it. The fish just jumped us there. I may have to throw the line in. What do you think of this spot?
It's got nice water views and lots of lovely trees.
It's very nice. Dee. That's what they called it.
Dee Lagoon?
Dee Lagoon. You got some spiders.
Yeah. Watch out for this one.
Here's the other one.
There's one here and one there and one over there.
We're hidden in our canopy,
In our rooftop tent.
rooftop tent, from the rain. I was running around in the rain, headless chook style, and dropped my undies down in the mud out there, my ass clean undies, because I was in the middle of a shower.
I told you you'd get 2 showers.
I got 2 showers. One was warm, one was cold and windy. You smell. because you didn't have a shower. You can go out and have your cold and windy one. Don't recommend it though. The warm one was nicer. But yes, we are just sitting in our rooftop tent enjoying the raindrops. There's that lovely fire down there.